Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Trades. So in this session we are going to see about the print function and the input function. How we are going to do different ways of print function. We will see to that. So for that, first I'm going to initialize a variable called name equal to coding. And I'm giving name equal to coding. If I want to get this name in my output, so what I will do, here I will write the print function called print name, right? Let us see the output. Yes, I got it as coding, right? So if I want to get hello coding, hello like name, hello followed by the name which we have given here. So in that situation, what I will do here is print top whatever the string you want, hello, then percentage yes. So why I am writing this percentage yes is like this is a delimiter. In C language we have seen, right? In C, like other programming languages, in C mostly. So this S is referred for string, and whereas D is referred for integer, F is referred for float. So in this way we will write. So then percentage S, and then again we will write percentage whatever we want here. So we want name, right? So I want name. So I have written percentage name. So in this situation, what I will get the output is hello coding. In this way, I will get the name. So here percentage yes indicates string. So let us run the output. Yes, we got it as hello coding. If you want hello, how are you coding? Or any string, whatever the string you want, so you will get in this way. So let us run hello, how are you coding, like this. So if you want any string followed by the name which we have given on the top, then you will write in this way. Here percentage yes is the string. Then if I want, so again I will give like age equal to 60. So I am giving some variable age, and I'm giving the integer value as 60. So I'm trying to print that value, print hello, then hello coding. I'm going to print hello coding. Then so what I should write here? Hello percentage yes. Then are you percentage D. So here percentage D is integer. So I'm going to get this value over here. Hello percentage D, and then whatever the string you want, hello coding, are you 60? I'm going to give question mark over here. Then I'm going to give here percentage. So what I will give here is percentage name comma age, because I'm getting two values. This is called as tuple. Sorry. Name comma age. So I want to retrieve here hello coding, are you 60? So I want to ask like that. So hello coding, are you 60? I got it. So here percentage yes and percentage D both I have used. So in that situation I have used here name and age, because I want to retrieve the name and age both. So here I have given name and age. So next one I'm going to show you one print. So I want to I want to show you marks which is in float. So like we will get like 92.5, 199.5 like that, right? So if it is in the decimal places like 0.0005 like that. So in that situation, if you want, how you will do? So I'm going to show you marks equal to percentage F. So here F is float value. Then I'm going to give you percentage 98.97876 like this. I'm going to run this. So I will get this whole marks equal to 98.876. So I don't want this decimal places. 3 decimal places I don't want. I want only 1 decimal place. So in that situation, what you will do? So I'm going to write it before percentage here. Sorry, before here, how many places you want you can declare here. Like if you want one decimal place, you will give 1 over here. If you want 2 decimal places, you will give 2. If you want 3 decimal places, you will give 3. So let us see. So print. I'm going to copy same. So here I am going to give 2 decimal places. Like I will get 8, 7. If I want 1, I am going to write 1 over here. Sorry, it should be point. Percentage 0.1f. So 0.1f it should be written. So 98.9. It is rounded off and we got only 1 decimal place. So in this way you can write. So if you want 2 decimal places here, you can write 2. We got as 98.88 because it is greater than the decimal is greater here 6 is greater than 5. So we got it as 0.88. So in this way you can write with the decimal places with using float. And the next one is I'm going to give you some value. Value equal to input and I want to enter some marks. Enter your marks. So here I am going to prompt and I will prompt to the user that user should enter the marks over here. So let us see whether it will come. Enter your marks. I got it. So I will give as 98.